Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to see Paneer Pulao. This is a very quick and delicious rice recipe. For this, first we are going to fry the paneer separately. Take 1 cup of chopped paneer. To this add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chilli powder and give a nice mix. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and fry this. Fry the paneer until the outer layer is a little crispy. The paneer is ready, let us take it out. In the remaining ghee, add 1 bay leaf, a small stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, a star anise and 4 to 5 cloves. Once the whole spices are sauteed well, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. To this add a medium-sized sliced onions, 2 or 3 green chilies and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything well. The onions had to turn translucent, till then we are going to saute this. Once the onions are translucent, add 1/4 cup of chopped carrots and 1/4 cup of chopped beans. We are going to saute and cook the vegetables until it is half cooked. Now add the required amount of salt. Close this and cook for a few minutes. To this add a handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves. Close it again and cook until the vegetables are half cooked. The vegetables are perfect. At this stage we are going to add the Basmati rice. Before adding the rice, soak the rice in water for about half an hour. I am going to add the rice and the water in the ratio 1:2. That is, for each cup of rice you have to add 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and close this and cook in a medium flame for about 10 minutes. In between, after about 5 minutes, you can add the fried paneer. Close it again and cook until all the moisture evaporates. The cooking time will vary between 10 to 15 minutes. This is ready now. Let us add few chopped coriander leaves. To obtain the flavor, close it again, keep it in low flame and cook for another 1 minute. The paneer pulao is ready. It is perfect. As because we have soaked the rice in water, it has become perfectly long after cooking. So the paneer pulao is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.